This is part 2 of the chapter Applications of Trigonometry Standard 10th. So continuing the sums, this is first sum. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a building 50 meters high. So 50 meters high is the building. So we can take this as the building AB. As observed from the top of a tower are 30 and 60. So angles of depression are 30 and 60. You have to find the height of the tower, first thing. Second thing, you have to find the distance between the building and the tower also. So we will just start doing this sum. So let the building be AB. So we will say let the building be AB and let its height be 50 meters. Okay, and let CD be the tower and let the height of the tower be h meters. So now if we see, we are getting two triangles. We have just put the angles of depression. If this is 30, remember this also will be 30. If this whole thing is 60, this also will be 60. So we are having two triangles now. One is triangle CAE. So in triangle CAE, we are having angle of 30 degrees. So I will take tan 30 will be given by CE upon AE. So tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon root 3. So CE is, if this is 50, this will be h minus 50. So instead of CE, I will put h minus 50, and instead of AE, I will be putting x. So so we will be having h minus 50 is equal to x upon root 3. So this will take us statement 1 number. Now we will take another triangle in triangle CBD. In triangle CBD, remember both are right angle triangles only. So here we will take an 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees will be CD upon BD. CD upon BD. So the value of tan 60 is root 3, and a full CD, the height of the tower is h, and this thing BD is equal to x. So here, from here I will get h is equal to root 3x. So this is 2. Now from statement 1 and 2, I can replace the value of h in terms of root 3x. So from 1 and 2, we can say root 3x minus 50. Instead of h minus 50, I can put root 3x minus 50 is equal to x root 3. So what we'll do is we'll just cross multiply. So this becomes 3x minus 50 root 3 is equal to x. So 3x minus 2x is 2x is equal to 50 root 3. Therefore x is equal to 25 root 3. So that is the value of x. This is the distance. Now if you want to find the height, height is given as root 3x. So it is root 3 into value of root 3 is again 25. So this is 25 root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 25 is 75 meters. So this 75 meters is the height of the tower, and the distance between them is this. So this is how we do such sums. So going for the second sum, a man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above the water. So above the 10 meters is a deck on which he is standing, and he is observing the angle of elevation of the top of a hill of 60 and the depression of the base of the hill. So he is standing here. So the man is standing here. Here you can see this top, here you can see this base of the hill. Now we have to find two things: the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the ship. So we'll have to find height of the hill, we have to find, or height of the ship. Two things we have to find. So we will just start doing this. So just see the diagram. In this diagram we will say let AB be the hill which is having a height of h meters, and let CD be the level of the deck, which is 10 meters above the level of water. So we are having again two triangles now. So the first triangle is triangle BDE. In triangle BDE, the angle is 60, so I can write tan 60 is equal to BE upon DE. Now if H is the total height of the hill and the deck is CD is 10 meters, so this will be H minus 10 meters. So BE is nothing but it is H minus 10 and this AC is X. So the value of tan 60 is root 3. So we will write root 3 is equal to H minus 10 upon X, or we can say H is equal to root 3x plus 10. Okay, so this is what is we can take as statement number 1. Now we'll take another triangle DCA. In triangle DCA, so here if we see, we can have again tan 30, so the angle is tan 30. So what is tan 30? It is nothing but CD upon CA, CD upon CA or AC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to CD. So what is CD? CD is given to us as 10 meters upon this is X. So the value of X we are getting as 10 root 3 meters. So from 1 and 2, now this we can take as statement number 2. So what is the value of H? So H is equal to root 3 into 10 root 3 plus 10. So if we see root 3 into 30, so this is 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 meters. So that is the distance. So this is the height of the hill. So this is the hill height. And what is the distance? The distance between the ship and this. So distance of the hill from the ship. It is 10 root 3 meters, or if you substitute the value of root 3 as 1.73, so we are getting 17.3 meters. Okay, so this was the second sum. So now we'll go for the third sum. Now this is an interesting sum. Two men on either side of a temple. So AB we can take as the temple. So this is the temple part. It is having a height of 75 meters. Two men are on the either side of the temple. They find the angle of elevation separately. One is getting 30 and one is getting 60. So we have to find how far the men are away from each other. So we will say let AB be the temple which is having the height of say 75 meters. Let C and D be the positions of the two men. One man is standing at C and one man is standing at D. C and D be the positions of the two men. Okay, then so let BD be 8 meters from the temple. One man is at 8 meters and the other man is at A meters. So they are on both sides. So one let it be A meters, one let it be B meters. So now we will take in triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. We can have tan 30 is equal to AB AB upon BC is equal to we can say this is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 75 upon A, 75 upon A. Therefore A we can say is 75 root 3. Now similarly we can take the other triangle, right angle triangle. in triangle ABD, tan 60 is equal to AB upon BD. So tan 60 means nothing but root 3. So what is B? So B is 75, root 3 upon 75. 75 upon root 3. So B is 75 upon root 3. Now if you want to find the distance between the men, so distance between the men is equal to A plus B. So what we will do is we will add 75 root 3 plus 75 upon root 3. So when you cross multiply, this will become, no, we can do another method also. So this 75 root 3 we can keep as such. This 75 I will write as root 3 into root 3 into 25 upon root 3. So this becomes 75 root 3 plus 25 root 3, because 75 is 3 into 25 and 3 I can write as root 3 into root 3. So we are getting 100 root 3. So this is 100 into 1.73. So the distance between the two men is 173 meters. Distance between the two men. Now next is a sum. An aeroplane when 3000 meters high passes vertically above another aeroplane at an instant when the angles of elevation of the two aeroplanes from a same point. So one, they are flying one above the other, but at a specific point when one plane is 3000 meters above the other plane, the angles of elevation from a point on the ground are 60 and 45. We have to find the distance between the two planes. So what we will do is we will just draw a diagram. So we can say let B and C be the positions of the two planes vertically above point A on the ground. Okay, and let O be the point of observation. O be the point of observation. Okay, so now what is given to us? AC, the plane is flying at a distance of 3000 meters from the ground. So this is 3000 meters, and let AB be H, the distance between the two planes, let it be H meters. So BC is the distance between the two planes be H meters. Therefore AB is equal to 3000 minus H. Now we'll take the small triangle in triangle AOB. So we are having tan 45 is equal to AB upon OA. So 1 is equal to AB upon OA. So we are getting OA is equal to AB. So this is the first thing we have got. Now this is equal to this is equal to, now if this is we are taking as X, if you are taking OA as X, so X is equal to 3000 minus H. So this is what we are getting. Now we will take another triangle AOC. In triangle AOC we are having, if we take tan 60, because 60 degrees is the angle here, tan 60 is given by AC upon OA. So this is 3000 upon X, and this is value of tan 30 is tan 60 is root 3. So we can say x is equal to 3000 upon root 3. Now this can always be written as 3 into 1000 upon root 3. This can further be written as root 3 into root 3 into 1000 upon root 3. So this is nothing but 1000 root 3. So this is 1000 into 1.73, so 1730 meters. So now 1000 root 3 is equal to 3000 minus h. So h we are getting as 3000 minus 1730, so this is 1270 meters. So the vertical distance between the two planes is 1270 meters. So that's the answer. Now we'll do one more sum. From a window 60 meters above the ground of a house in a street, the angles of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house across the street are 60 and 45 degrees. So what we have to find is, we have to find the height of the opposite house. Now if we just see this figure, we will start writing. So let AB be the first house, and let the window at 60 meters be W. Okay, so now now if you see, AW is 60 meters, so opposite also EC is also 60 meters, and let the total height of the other, so let CD, because we don't know the height of the opposite house, let CD be the height of the opposite house, be the height of the opposite house. Okay, so now we will take first triangle WAC. We will say, so here we will take first is tan 45, because if this is 45, this also is 45, so tan 45 is equal to AW upon AC. So 1 is equal to 60 upon X, therefore X is equal to 60. So this is X we have got as 60 meters. Now we will take the other triangle, in triangle DEW, this triangle we will have tan 60. Now the angle is tan 60, so this will be H minus 60 opposite upon adjacent. Adjacent is 60 we have already got, so we'll put 60 here. Now the value of tan 60 is root 3, so root 3 is H minus 60 upon 60, so this becomes 60 root 3 is equal to H minus 60, so H is equal to 60 plus 60 root 3. If I take 60 common, it will be 1 plus root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.73. 1 plus 1.73, so this becomes 60 into 2.73, and the final answer is 163.8 meters. So the height of the opposite house, now this is the height of the opposite house, So this is how we do sums on applications of trigonometry. Thank you.